So it is finally time to introduce my third course. This time it is on the M language. Finally, you've asked me this 1,000 times. Can you do a course on M language? Can you do a course on M language? Well, I've done a course on M language and it is available at the website now, right now. Want to say that because you are watching this on my YouTube channel, I have a special discount code. It will give you 20% discount on the course. It is just a code that will be seen here on YouTube. So if you want to buy this course another day, just come here and grab it from here because it won't be available anywhere else, okay? So that's the code. And how about we go and watch the introduction video for the M course. That's what you will see on the website when you go to purchase the course. So do you want to learn M language and you're looking for a course? You've found the right place. I'm introducing today the first M language course I at least have seen. And this language course is made, or the demos are made on Power BI, but of course you can use it too if you are using Excel. So there is no difference in there. So what is the course about? The course is actually based on the Microsoft Power Query for Excel Formula Language Specification. This is the official documentation for M. If you have seen it, it is very, very, very technical. And unless you are an IT professional, very difficult to understand. So what I've done, I have taken the guide and I have done the practical and unofficial guide for the M language. So we're going to cover all the topics that are available in there, but I'm going to explain it with examples, okay? So if you're expecting a very technical course, this is not the course for you. What I've done, I've taken the technical documentation, you have everything you need in there, and I have made it available for all of us that are not that technical, okay? So these are the contents. We're going to go through the M values, the foundation of M. And we will talk about primitive values, and we're going to talk about also more advanced values like lists, records, and tables. Then we're going to talk about operations, how you can actually merge, or what type of operations you can do between those values. Once we've done that, we will increase the difficulty and we will start talking about expressions, M expressions. So we will talk about the let expression, if, error, try. We will do some samples and then we are going to talk about each keyword, which is a very fundamental piece of the M language. So we will introduce it in this module. We will do more exercise on other modules though. After that, we're going to talk about M functions. We will build some simple M functions and then we will complicate them a little bit more as we go along. We're going to see how to invoke functions. We're going to see how to document functions. We're going to see how to reuse functions. We're going to go very briefly into the M language function library to see what that is. You know already what it is, but just so you connect the dots. And we are going to go through the M environments. I don't know if you're aware of that, but the same as for DAX has context evaluations or evaluation context, M has the same thing, but they call it environment. So we are going to go through M evaluation context. And once we've done that, I mean, it's very rare that you would just grab the advanced editor and start writing M code. You normally do it together with Power Query. There is one time where you actually do that, and it's when you create custom connectors. So I'm going to show you how you create a custom connector. We will go through the different items that you need to do to create a custom connector. And then we will create a custom connector that you will use for, if you watch my videos on YouTube, you can have any use for that. And we will also create a generic custom connector that you can use for other sources. So this is the, again, practical guide to M. It is over 3 hours of video. And I have divided it in small lessons. And the reason for that is because you will be able then to, watch it at your own time. You don't have to watch a 30 minutes video. You will just watch small videos and then you can stop when you need it. Also, because it is a reference guide, I want you to be able to find the lessons very, very quickly in case you have questions. So how was that to invoke a function? There is a lesson for that. How does the error function work? There is a lesson for that. So you will be able to use this as a reference guide as you continue learning M. What else? When it comes to the practicalities of the course, you just go to Curbal.com, you purchase the course, and you can do that. The store is set in euros, but you can purchase the course both with a credit card or with PayPal. I do not store any information about your credit cards. Everything is done with a third party, so your shop is safe, basically. What else? There are group discounts available, so if you want to buy this course for your company, let me know. Just send me an email and I will give you some group discounts. Apart from that, I really hope you enjoy the course. Let me know if you have any questions down below. And yeah, hope you enjoy it.